In this game, children count how many pairs of socks they can throw into a laundry basket. Playing sock toss helps children learn counting and how to combine numbers, because they're keeping track of how many objects went inside the basket and how many fell outside. I'm going to use rolled up pairs of socks to show this game, but you can use stuffed animals, balled up pieces of paper, or anything else you feel like throwing. You'll also need a laundry basket, bucket, or other container to throw at. To get started, I'm going to put a piece of tape on the floor and then walk a few feet away. And I'll put my basket right here. Now let's see how many pairs of socks I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 pairs of socks altogether. And with kids, I'll gesture over the total so they start to see that when I count to 5, that number also represents the total number of objects I have. Then I'll say, let's see how many we can get into the laundry basket. So I got 1, 2 pairs of socks outside the basket, and 1, 2, 3 pairs of socks inside the basket. How many did I throw in all? I threw 5. And this all helps kids practice number composition, because they're seeing that 3 and 2 make 5. I can also ask, did I get more socks inside the basket or outside the basket? Yeah, inside the basket. Once you get the hang of this game, you can start keeping track of each round. So for this round, I'll put 3 tally marks under the inside column and 2 tally marks under the outside column. That way, children will see different combinations that make 5, like 4 and 1, and 0 and 5. This is a great game to play with children of all ages. For older kids, you can make different objects worth different points. Like this one could be worth 3 points, and these 2 points, and these 1 point. Or you could have just the older children's objects be worth a certain number of points, so they can practice skip counting. So if we say each pair is worth 3 points, the child would count 3, 6, 9, 12 if the first 4 went in. You can also make this game easier or harder by varying the distance of the basket, the size of the basket, and the total number of objects you're throwing.